Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my new channel, Sim-Alot Makes. You guys may know me from the gaming channel Sir Sim-Alot as the guy who plays all sorts of video games for all of you guys for entertainment, but I thought what better thing to do than to start a new channel now recently to explore some of my other passions that have to do with using these things. Yes, my hands. This channel is going to be all about cooking, crafting, and creating, from different things from making things to maybe some Legos in the future, maybe a lot of cooking videos. A lot of different things are going to be coming to this video or this channel in the future. I hope you guys are all so excited about this channel as I am, and if you guys would, please make sure you guys subscribe. Now let's talk about schedule. So on average there will be a video on this channel about once a week, maybe twice a week if I get myself a little rowdy and rambunctious and randy. But that's my plan, is just to keep this a channel where there's a singular upload, maybe 2 uploads a week, something fun, something different from video games, because I do enough of that over on the Sir Sim-Alot channel. Now that doesn't mean there may not be some video game-esque things brought up in this YouTube channel, but I thought what better thing to do than to start off with an easy video. So there will be another video that's coming out a little bit later on today. If you guys are just finding this channel from my other channel, welcome. If you guys are clicking on this channel for the first time, also welcome. And if you guys do like video game channels, please do not forget to check out my other channel, Sir Sim-Alot, where I play all sorts of video games for your guys' entertainment. But thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy.